Hi, my name is Archie from NoteForms. Do you know that you can filter related database options to your forms? Let me show you an example. So here we have a project task submission. This is the main database and it's related to this project task form. As you can see, we have uh, several fields here. The theme that's already filled out, task name, notes, due date, task type, priority, and of course the relation field, the project name. But in the database, you'll see five options, but it's only filtered to the ones assigned to me, Archie, which is related to marketing and sales. So as you can see, the other options are not available. So let me just show you an example. I'll choose marketing as an example here. And you'll see my submission will already show up here. There we go on the project task submission. NoteForms is a form builder that primarily integrates with Notion. Notion has its own form builder. It's straightforward and it's good in collecting data. However, it doesn't have advanced form features, such as filtering related database options. And this would help you make your form more accurate, clean, and help you manage your database submissions more efficiently. And this is where NoteForms really stands out. So now, let me walk you through on how to filter relations into your NoteForms. First, we're going to create a new form, but we also need to make sure that our main database is already connected or related to another Notion database. So here we have the project task submission. You'll see it has a relation property, which is connected to the test project status database. So we already have a database connected to a related database, so we can create a new form. And on the next page, we can select, I already have a Notion database. And let's click continue and then select the database in Notion. It's a project task submission and create your form. And then automatically it will create our form based on the properties that we have in Notion. So next, to enable the feature, once you already have your form and fields ready, just go to the settings of the related field, click this settings. You can also click settings here. And once you're the settings of the relation field, just scroll down and you'll see here, relation filtering. So here you can apply filters to limit which related Notion records are available. So we can click add a rule and add a rule drop down. And since we only need one rule, we just click add a rule. And then we can, for example, select options depending on the field that you would like to filter, assign to, status, project task submission, or project name. So in this case, we would like to select assign to, and it should contain Archie. So it will only show up projects that are under Archie. And then once done, just click publish. Hopefully this video helps, but if you still have questions, feel free to reach out to us via our live chat support and we will be happy to help. Again, my name is Archie and thank you so much for supporting NoteForms.